What's up, everybody? Remington from Impulse Creative, and I've got another Drift tutorial for you. Today, a simple one: how to create a new field in Drift. Now, this field can be created in Drift for a variety of reasons. One would be that you just need that contact information for that individual. Two would be that you're running a playbook and you want that information to be ported over to that field upon collecting of that information. And three, maybe you have an integration with a CRM or a tool like HubSpot, where I just did a tutorial right here on about how to get that information pulled over. So the first step is to create that field, and creating the field is pretty easy. It's just not very obvious where you can find or create that information. So as you jump into Drift, what you can do is you can go to any contact, and for the sake of argument, I've got my contact details opened up. And if you go off to the left, as you start to scroll down with that contact, you will see all of the fields. Now, you would imagine that if you hit the edit button up top, that would show you more information on fields. But as you scroll further down, you'll see two options. You have view all attributes, and you have create new contact attribute. And that is essentially what we want to do. So you go ahead, you can click create new contact attribute. You have the option to choose the display name and choose the type. So in this example, we're just going to go with a text string, and we're going to call this service type. So once you choose your type, and then you click save new property, and once you refresh the page, then you'll be able to go to view all attributes. If you search in here, it is case sensitive. So if you start typing the exact way that your attribute name was, it will show up. So for instance, service type has a capital S and a capital T. That would show up right here. So you'll see that the custom attribute is now saved, and you could go into the actual contact records or connect this to any one of your playbooks, and that field will then be capturing the information. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you have questions about conversational marketing or Drift, please feel free to reach out to me on Twitter at RemingtonBeg, or hit me up in the comments below. If you'd like help with getting this set up on your system, please feel free to reach out to Impulse Creative. My team is ready to go helping you out so you get the most out of conversational marketing. If you'd like to see other tutorials we've done, you can go ahead and you can do that right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to other daily videos that we have, you can go ahead and you can do that right here. Until next time, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. Have a great day.